This is how you're going to add signature in Hostinger Webmail. You will use the Roundcube Webmail client, which is the default for Hostinger. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you are in the hpanel.hostinger.com, and then from here you're going to log into your Hostinger hpanel. From there you're going to navigate to emails right here at the left sidebar. Just going to click on emails, and then you're going to click Webmail for the email account that you want to edit. So you would usually see it right here, so you can just click on Webmail right there for the email account that you want to edit. And then once you're in the Roundcube Webmail, you're going to click on settings, which usually looks like a gear icon, and in the left menu you're going to select identities. Click on your email address to edit your identity profile, locate the signature field, and enter your desired signature text, links, or basic HTML. After that, all you have to do is to click on save, and then your signature will be added to Hostinger Webmail. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.